Alright, boys. It appears I have made it to Austin, because I am now sitting in Austin traffic. Didn't even plan on going to Austin today, dude. Like, I already filmed 2 videos this morning, and I was like, oh, that should be fine, you know what I mean? But, like, anytime I'm heading to Austin, I'm like, dude, I might as well just go film, you know what I mean? I'm gonna go see the homeboy? Shit, boy, you know what I'm saying? I might as well just go see what the fuck's going on, you know what I'm saying? So, hell yeah, boys. I hate Austin, I hate the people, I hate the roads, I hate damn near everything about it. But Austin itself, the skyline, is, and the skate parks. That's all I really come here for, you know what I'm saying? To be completely honest with y'all. So yeah, I went to a private track day recently for, you know, my boy, and it really changed my perspective on how I'm gonna be building this car coming up. I'm not gonna drift this car per se, but I'm going, like, my eyes are wide open for a rear wheel drive manual one. You know what I'm saying? And my goal is to kind of blow the engine on that motherfucker as soon as possible to then LS swap that bitch. You know what I'm saying? So we have I don't know how easy it's gonna be to blow an engine on a fucking is250 though. I mean, honestly, you throw a supercharger at it and it blows pretty fucking fast. So I think that in itself will have me blowing an engine pretty quickly. But check it, boys. We are in Austin traffic, and that car just cut him off, so brake lights are gonna be coming. Or not. Hey, he actually went. That is a rarity in here in Austin, Texas. You know what I'm saying? Here in Austin, Texas, I expect a turning signal and immediate brake lights. You know what I'm saying? Because that's just something you gotta expect being on the road in Texas. Dude, I made some good videos this week, dude. I don't care if they sit at 5 fucking views. I made some videos that I am proud of, dude. I went to a drift event. I made a fucking Highway 101 video. I made a sit-down video. And I know y'all don't really like the sit-down videos, but I like them, so I probably make more of those. You know what I'm saying? Just shit of that nature, boys. We're doing pretty fucking well. We are doing pretty fucking well. I really have been wanting to do like a walk around video of my car too, so y'all can see just how cooked she is right now. But also, once I start doing more to the car, you'll be like, holy shit, you started here, you're there now, good fucking shit. So yeah, I think the way I want to make this car is just, like, the way I'm going to build this car is as if I'm going to sell it. Do you know what I mean? So, like, as if I just bought this car and I'm looking to make profit off of it. So everything that's broken, I want it fixed. The paint, I need to buff it. You know what I mean? Like, shit of that nature. Shit where it just looks as if I'm about to sell this bitch. You know what I mean? In all reality, I just want to have a good platform to keep maintained. You know what I'm saying? Because I saw this quote a while back and I kind of live by it. It's easier to maintain a sharp knife than it is to sharpen a dual blade. And I kind of live my fucking life by that. I can't even lie. Like, if your room's a fucking mess, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's so much harder to pick up all the trash, take out all the dishes, do your clothes, rather than to just do the load of laundry once it gets full. You know what I mean? Take the plates downstairs once they're dirty. You know what I mean? Like, make life easier on yourself by just simple maintenance rather than letting things snowball into a bigger thing. You know what I'm saying? So I think if I can have my car to a maintainable degree, then it will be a lot easier and a lot more enjoyable for me to do more stuff to this car. You know what I'm saying? So that will fucking rule, boys. That will rule. Check out my fucking shaky ass fucking motherfucker. It didn't even shake that bad. It's so funny. My rotors are fucked, but only when I'm going 70 or above on the highway. Do you know what I'm saying? Like right here, I'm gonna have to brake. See, no shake in my wheel. A little bit of shake, but not enough, not noticeable. You know what I'm saying? So like, I plan on making a trip to Ohio in this car. I'm not sure if I'll film it or not. I'll probably film like the best, like the highlights of it. You know what I mean? Whenever I end up doing that. But tires and rotors will for sure need to happen before a big ass trip like that. Other than that, I mean, dude, my car is pretty drivable in that regard. You know what I mean? The engine's fine. You know what I'm saying? Shit of that nature is fine. Transmission, That's why I'm looking for a manual one too, though. You know what I'm saying? So, it'll be a lot of fun, dude. I have a lot of shit planned for this car. I really do, boys. And I hope y'all enjoy. I hope y'all enjoy what I end up turning this to be. I just first need to get a couple jobs. And then also, once I start going to school, I'll be getting paid. So, it's like, that's a win-win. You know what I mean? Literally getting paid to learn a skill. I'll fucking take that any day of the week. You know what I'm saying? Check it, boys. The Big Apple. We are in the Big Apple. Look at that skyline, dude. I'm so grateful to live this close to Austin. I really am. Like, traffic sucks, the roads suck, but the skyline rules, dude. Absolutely rules. Look at that motherfucker, dude. Fuck, dude. The amount of fucking ferries that live here really piss me off, dude. The people here suck. But the skyline, you can look at that shit all fucking day long, dude. All fucking day long. I really can, dude. That shit fucking rules. I gotta get into this lane, bro. I'm going way too slow to be in the fast lane. I'm gonna be honest with you. Oh boy. We've hit it. We are in the Big Apple. You know, my favorite part also about filming these videos in Austin, like heading to Austin and shit, has everything to do with the thumbnail. Like, the thumbnails always look so fucking cool, bro. I can't even lie to you. Like, I love seeing the big ass fucking city skyline with a Lexus logo right next to it. You know what I mean? Like, that is one of the coolest fucking thumbnails of all time. Like, man. And there's so many cars that I really do plan on having that I will have, like, very soon, bro. Like I said, I really want to get a rear-wheel drive manual is250. That is goal. You know what I'm saying? And I really want to LS swap one. I think that would be a lot of fucking fun. And then, I don't know how quickly that would happen, though. Like, to be honest with you, I just build that motherfucker. And then, you know, if the time arises when the engine blows, we throw in an LS in that motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? And then from that point on, I'm really thinking to just... ISF will definitely be next after I get another IS250. I feel like once I have two of these motherfuckers, it'll make a lot more sense to me. And then ISF would make even more sense because I understand the platform better than most. And then definitely an LC, definitely an LS460, definitely an LS430 as well. All cars I plan on having. And then after I get all of these cars, to be honest, it'll probably be another IS250, a dually ISF, LC500, and then a 56 Ford Fairlane red and white Crown Victoria, dude. Fuck, with the big old Y block, the 3 on the tree. Dude, that is an absolute goal of mine. But I'll be honest with you, if the deal comes before those cars, if a really good deal on a 56 Fairlane arises before the ISF, then I have to pull the trigger on that. You know what I mean? Because it's one of those cars that I really feel like as the years go on, it will get more expensive. You know what I mean? So it's like... I gotta do what I gotta do, boys. I really do. But I love classic cars. Like, I really want like a 59 Impala at some point in time. You know what I mean? I really, really, really want like one of those old 58, 57 Impala wagons. Those are fucking gorgeous, dude. Dude, there's so many cars that will be featured on this channel. It's just, I'm a broke ass kid right now. You know what I'm saying? Like, if I wasn't so broke, I'd be having a lot more fun. But I did, like I said, just delete Instagram recently, which has given me the opportunity to do more. Like, a lot more. Okay, like, here's the thing. there's a lot of doors open for all of us right now. It's just a lot of the time we're too busy scrolling, we're too busy jerking off, we're too busy in relationships, we're too busy being occupied by other things instead of seeing the door right in front of us that's wide fucking open. You know what I'm saying? Like, in the last 2 days, I've done more than I have in the past month just from deleting Instagram. Someone calls me, I just accept it. I just automatically say yes to whatever it is and pull up, and then I'm having a good time. Do you know what I mean? Like, I'm usually a really insecure person and I have a lot of social anxiety, but the second you start putting yourself out there and growing the muscle of being social, dude, it's so fucking easy to just get out here more often and say yes to more events and just be where you want to be in life, bro. And I'm nowhere where I want to be in life, but I'm still just figuring this shit out, bro. I don't know a single goddamn thing, but I'm still just figuring this shit out, boys. And we'll make it. I know it, dude. I have a lot of faith. I have a lot of faith that I'm going to make it in life, dude. And it has everything to do with my mindset, but also just my ability to work on things that I'm truly passionate in. And I believe in every single one of you watching this video. Like, making YouTube videos is very doable, boys. Very fucking doable. I highly recommend y'all start making YouTube videos, dude. Because it's so fucking easy, bro. You just throw a camera and post it. I know the hardest part is putting yourself out there. And once you can get over that mental block, it's like doing a backflip. Once you can get over the mental block of going backwards, you have backflips for the rest of your life. You know what I'm saying? Once you can get over how people think about you, you can do whatever the fuck you want. It's such a freeing experience in this world, dude. It really is. I love being able to just live my life in the way that I want to live my life, dude. It makes me so fucking happy. Because I've been so depressed for so many years. But depression really isn't real if you can just put yourself out there and do the things that you want to do in this world, dude. But yeah, boys, we're in Austin. And I'm going to hit some skate parks. And I think that's it for me today. So I hope y'all have a good one. Peace.